All right, you ready to come out? You ready to come out? Yeah, look how excited you are. You ready? Oops. Come on. Oh yeah. Let's go party. Come on. All right, Rango, good job. Wait, say hi. Hi. Okay, come on. Say hi, Pablita. Mwah. Hi.
Okay, I was here last year.
No, it's right.
My name is Scarlett. I didn't come back last year for a very legitimate reason.
What happened?
I wasn't being a good student. So when I got home, they were like,
Hi. Good morning. What are you doing? What are you doing? Where's your brother? There he is. Hey, Rango. Rango, what are you doing? Spending most of his time looking outside.
Then we'll handle the rest.
Alright, I gotta shut this TV off. Ah. What? Come here. Come back, Rambo. Rambo. I just renamed him. Did you hear that?
An octopus is
How are you doing?
looking for an unsuspecting fish to pounce upon. A cuttlefish is hunting with mesmerizing colors to distract its prey. A school of reef squid
Want some water?
hovers in the water column.
Some water?
What do these magnificent animals have in common? They're all
Okay.
cephalopods.
Some more?
Cephalopod means head foot because this animal's head,
Some
the
more?
part with the eyes, is connected to its feet. The part out in front
Right.
that looks like a head is actually
Rango,
the
you want some
body.
water?
And in fact, biologists don't call those things feet.
You're too
They're
far.
called
You don't want to.
arms.
There you go.
So, cephalopod is actually a terrible name, but it's what we've got. Squid, octopods,
That's a terrible way to
fish,
drink.
and nautiluses are all members